Daddy, I'm hungry.
You're grounded from eating. Oh, no, 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 no. You're grounded. You are grounded.
I was...
What are you doing? No, we don't eat in the family. Stop it.
But my banana.
And?
My banana.
So?
It's my banana.
Am I in the right universe?
It's my banana.
Huh. My daughter. No, no, no. You're not gonna eat that. No one eats. We don't eat in this house.
What are you talking about, Daddy? I am an individual and I need to eat.
Eating is for the weak. For the weak.
For the week?
For the week.
For the week?
For the week.
For the week, for the week, for the week, for the week, for the
Week,
week,
week, week, week, week,
the and if you eat, you